So retired. Always check the line. Make sure it's tight. And what I like to do is put a little spit around. That's me, you know. That's just me. Great pliers, like I said, all about fishing. I've been going there for a pretty long time, so you know. So yeah, we're tight and big boy. About to put the big boy out today. This is a Okuma. I had this rod for a pretty long time. I caught some big fish with this. I caught some big stingrays too. The reel is, sir, starting out. All right, well. About to grab one of these. If I can grab them. Where are you?
Ouch!
Where is he?
My foot.
Oh God! Yep, this one. Nice size pinfish. I like to hook them. Hold on. I like to hook them in the mouth. I don't know. I just like to hook them right here. That's why I like to hook them. Everybody has their own opinion of hooking fish, but I like to hook them right there. All right. See what. Well, guys, here's what I bought. I bought a spin. Yeah, pin spin fisher. That's what I bought, and the rod. Stella Light Boy from Star Rod, best in the world from All About Fishing. Oh, fish on, fish on, fish on. Couple jacks, couple mangroves. Fish on. Ooh, what was this? A baby snook? Yeah, a baby snook, guys. Caught a baby snook. Got a baby snook. Nice. Nice. With that, oh, hook already came off. Wow. Nice. Without even knowing, huh? Wow, nice snook. Snook. Got a nice snook. Nice. Out of nowhere. Just talking about the rod and reel, and caught a snook. I see the when I got here, I saw them snook over there jumping. So I threw it right there off a little baby tray. Wow, nice, nice guys. All right. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Breathe. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Okay. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Oh,
no way.
God darn it. That was a big one. Oh my God. Unbelievable. Dang. Well, guys, that was a big one. Whew. It got tied up in the right here next to the tree, and I have no words. It was just a big one. Oh my God, man. Well, what that means is can't give up. Let's go. Fish on. Triple fish on. Oh, he's mine's over here on this side. Hold on. Mine's over the. Oh my God. Oh, he's stuck. Oh, great. No, get it in. Hey. All right, hold on. I need somebody. Hey.
Okay.
Can you grab this? Hey. Can you grab this? I don't know. Grab it. The fish is stuck right here. Hey, I need you to walk this way. Hello? No. He's somewhere there trying to save a fish, you know what I'm saying? All we do is just save fish. Yeah? Alright, he let go. Ah, darn it. Fish on again. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, fish on. It's a nice ladyfish. Yep. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Nice. Another ladyfish. Oh man. There we go. Yeah. Oh, I got the bait for the snook. It's the head of a ladyfish. And it's wow, it's raining. It's raining, guys. It's raining. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna try to catch the snook on this rod. It's literally raining. Yeah. it stopped feeding on the ladyfish, I guess. So I guess well. Well, I'm going to put the X-Wrap on and try a little jigging. All right. Man, it's raining hard over here. Still ain't giving up. I'm still fishing. I got the X-Wrap on. Maybe try to catch about eight ladyfish. I know last time I caught 8 of them. Back to back. See if I catch a snook before I go. Oh, fish on. There you go, fish on. Oh, ladyfish, let go. Oh no, fish on. He's right here. Oh, I don't think this is a ladyfish. Yeah, it's a ladyfish. I don't know what the heck he think he going, boy. Where do you think you going? Well guys, it's literally raining out here, like raining. Well, it's gonna do it for tonight. The rain caught us and it's not good, so it's time for us to go. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a little bit. I still haven't give up. I'm still out here fishing in the rain. I thought about going. I ain't going yet. Oh my lord. Oh, fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Whoa! 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 Whoa, baby! Fish on, baby! In the rain! Get it! Yeah! Oh, he ain't going nowhere. Come on! He ain't going nowhere. Come on! It's a big snook up there. Oh! He let go. He let go right here. Oh! That was my PD snook. Oh my God! Can't give up. Come on. Starting again with the ladyfish. Okay, this is crazy. Oh, ladyfish. Oh my God. Okay, fish on. Oh, this is good. Fish on. Fish on. What is this? I can't see. Oh, oh, it's a blue. It's a blue. It's a blue. Bluefish. It's a bluefish, man. Nice.
It's a nice day.
Nice. All right. Thanks for the catch in the rain. It's okay. Oh my Lord, man. Fishing in the rain. We're crazy. All right. Oh man. The first one was a big snook, man. And the second one was a bluefish. Nice. One thing is I can't see. Literally fishing in the rain. This weather is crazy. All right, this is gonna be the last cast, and time to go home. I thought about, I said, well, let's go home. Nope, I can't go home yet. Fishing just started, you know what I'm saying? I'll tie that dragger up. Oh man. There you go. Oh my god, I had a hit. There you go. Oh my god. This is fun. Dang. Let go. Big pop, you heard that? All right. Yeah. Love this X-Wrap, man. I could go all day with it. Fish on. Fish on. Hold on. Oh, man. Whoa! I saw that. He jumped and he got him and I let go. Oh, my Lord. That's crazy, man. It's epic fishing out here today. This is what I'm fishing with. Yeah. Ladyfish, snook, even all bluefish love that. So crazy. I keep saying this is the last, and I just keep doing it. I can't stop. I don't know why. Oh, right in the hole. Oh, there you go. Oh, he let go again. Yeah. Oh man, he let go. One more. Whoa! Tighten the drag up, baby! Oh, fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Oh, this is nice. Maybe a big ladyfish. I'm not sure what it is. It's nice. Oh, I thought he let go. No, he's still on. Come on. Lady. Big ladyfish, huh? Yep. Foul hook. This ladyfish's foul hook.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, the snook probably bit it. Whoa. Gotta be careful.
Get it.
Always be careful, you know what I'm saying? Well guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. It's raining really hard and it's time to go. Excellent fishing night. Always excellent. Before I go, always throw this.
Got dinner.
And we got dinner, so yeah. Great. You know, go out there fishing. Life is great. Hey, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all on the next fishing channel. All right, see y'all later.